new Rinstrom controller by Jim International, and we're going to talk about the communication ports. These come standard with both USB and Ethernet in all models of this controller. Show you on the inside here. In the Lua module, which is a secondary processor, we do have dual processors in this. This is where we've got the USB connection and the Cat5 Ethernet cable port. So you can see on the USB connection, we've run an internal cable down to a port on the bottom of the enclosure. And this will eliminate the need to have to open up this enclosure when exporting data or importing a program and risk getting any kind of dirt or contaminants inside. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to plug in this USB port right on the bottom of the controller. And there is a cap on this. Very important if you're doing any wash down or anything to put the cap back on. If water gets in there, it can get up and damage that Lua module. So now we've plugged in the USB connection. It will give you three choices.
We're wanting the data to come onto the thumb drive, or we could go from the thumb drive into the processor for a new program. The third option is to eject. In this case, we're wanting to go to the USB. We tell it OK. It's writing the data to the USB stick. We then tell it to eject. And the data, today's weights, are on the thumb drive.
And from that point, you'll go to a laptop, enter your USB port on it, and it comes right up into an Excel spreadsheet.
On the spreadsheet, it'll show you the sequence ID, which is just a randomized number in sequence, the recipe, the date, the time to the nearest hundredth of a second, what your target was, and what your actual weight was. In the event of needing to change a program, you'll need your laptop hooked to the wireless in your plant and a network cable. The network cable plugs into the Lua module. You would then go to TeamViewer, which is a free download. Tell our technician on the phone your access code. He would come in to your computer through the network and change anything on as far as programming. Everything can be done remotely over the internet.
And he can actually view the outside of the panel and watch it actually operate.
Correct. Actually, the viewing we can also do with our GemLink cable. It's a magnet that hooks on to the fiber optic. And with this, if I can physically turn the scale on, I can stop. We can go in and make physical changes on the timers, recipe. Any of that can be done, again, remotely.